Okay, today's lesson, we're still in section 3.7, but now we're going to be talking about percent of change. So basically, when you have an increase or a decrease in a number and it's expressed as a percent, that percent is called the percent of change. If the new number is greater than the original number, the percent of change is the percent of increase. And if the new number is less than the original number, then the percent of change is a percent of decrease. So let's look at some examples. If, for instance, I have the original number is, in this case, 25, and the new number is 28, then how do I find the percent of change? So the way you will do this on all of these problems is you will take the new number, subtract the original, and then put that over the original. Multiply by 100, and that will give you your percent of change. So let's plug the numbers in. 28 is our new number. 25 was our original number. We're going to put that over our original number, which was 25, and then multiply it by 100 to get the percent of change. So that's 3 over 25 times 100, and that is equal to 12%. Okay, so since the new was greater than the original, this is a 12% increase. Let's look at another example. If our original is 30 and our new is 12, then we would take new minus original, so 12 minus 30, put that over the original amount, multiplied by 100. Okay, so we have 12 minus 30 is negative 18 over 30 times 100. And that comes out to a negative 60%. Okay, so what we find out then is that we have a 60% decrease. Okay, the other thing that we're going to talk about is tax, and particularly sales tax. If you know that when you go to a store and you purchase an item, that you don't just pay whatever the price tag says, that a lot of times, well, all the time, you have to pay sales tax unless it's the sales tax holiday. And you also have to find the amount of discount sometimes, because sometimes things are on sale. So, if, say we go to the mall and we find, a sweater that you like and it costs $45. Okay, you're not going to walk out of the store paying $45. You have to pay an amount of sales tax. So say that the sales tax rate was 6.25%. Out here in St. Charles County, it's actually a little bit more than that. The first thing that we would do is convert that percentage to a decimal. So that would become 0.0625. We move it to the left 2 places. Okay? And then we're going to multiply the cost of our sweater times 0.0625. When you would use a calculator to do this clearly, and it would come out to $2, 2.8125. Now, when we're talking about money, we obviously round. You can only express money to the cents place and not any further. So this would become $2.81 because the 2 is less than a 5, so we just kind of cut that part off of it then. So our tax is $2.81. If you're asked to find the total price of the sweater, then what you would have to do is take your original $45 and then add $2.81 to it for a total of $47.81. That would be your total price, including tax. Okay, we also need to be able to find discounts. Okay, so say for instance that we're buying a sweater again. This time the sweater is $38, okay, and we want to, and we know that it has a 35% discount today. So we would basically do this the same way. We would take, and first of all, convert our 35% to a decimal, 0.35. So we would have $38 times 0.35. That would come out to $13.30. Okay, so that's our discount. So since it's a discount, we don't add it on to the price of the sweater. We subtract it from the price of the sweater. So we take $38 and subtract $13.30. And then we would get, let's see, $24.70. Okay, so the discounted price of the sweater is $24.70. Now, you also might have a tax on top of that. So what you would have to do is then take that discounted price and then take the tax rate. Let's say this time that the tax rate is 6%. Okay, we would have to multiply $24.70 times 0.06 when we change that to a decimal. Okay, and that comes out to $1.48. So then we would take $24.70 and add $1.48 for a grand total of $28.88. Okay, so that's how you take, that's how you use that percents to determine tax and discounts and things like that. And this can come in really handy when you're at the store and you're trying to figure out, did they charge me correctly for that? If you kind of know what it should be approximately, you can a lot of times catch errors in the stores. So that's it for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.